FastAPI, a Python web framework that feels like it was built by someone who really hates validation. For years, Python APIs lived in a strange limbo. Flask was simple, but let you shoot yourself in the foot with 0 warnings. Django was powerful, but came with more baggage than your toxic ex. Somewhere in between, developers just accepted that APIs would be slow, undocumented, and slightly broken in production. Then FastAPI showed up and said, "Nah, I'd fix." Here's the killer idea. FastAPI looks at Python type hints and says, "These aren't comments, these are law."
I never broke the law. I am the law.
You define a request body with a type, and FastAPI validates it automatically. You define a response model, and it serializes it safely. If the data is wrong, the request never reaches your code. No manual checks, no defensive programming, just clean function signatures that double as your API contract. And then, without asking permission, FastAPI generates a full OpenAPI spec and interactive docs for you. You run the app, open the browser, and boom, sleek Swagger UI. Every endpoint, every parameter, every schema, already documented and testable. You didn't write docs, you didn't configure anything, it just happened. Back-end developers love it, front-end developers trust it, and product managers think you worked harder than you did. To use FastAPI, we first install it using the usual pip command. We will also install uvicorn that will serve as our server. We then write a single Python file, define an endpoint, and run the server using the uvicorn command. It uses port 8000 by default, but you can change it using the port flag. Hit enter, and that's it. The endpoint responds. You want docs? Just add /docs to the URL, and it's all there. Want async? Just add async. Want validation? Already done. That's why FastAPI is everywhere now. AI backends, microservices, internal tools, startups trying to ship yesterday. It plays perfectly with Python and data pipelines. And it removed all the unnecessary suffering for Python backend devs. And once you use it, going back feels illegal. This has been FastAPI explained faster than your Django app response time. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to become a fellow codehead, and let me know what you want me to cover next in the comments. Lights out.